Hi, my name is Kitty. I'm a self-taught artist based in Spain, and my main medium is air dry clay. I started experimenting with air dry clay about 4 years ago, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I do a lot of upcycling projects as well by decorating glass jars, tin cans, bottles, wood panels, and so on. At the beginning of my art journey, I learned a lot from other artists who generally share their knowledge and experience online, and this is kind of like my way giving back to share my experience and knowledge. I hope you enjoy my content, and I'm always happy to answer any technical questions. The main reason why I started this channel is because I want to inspire other people to start decorating with air dry clay, as I think it's a fun, affordable and a quite easy to learn craft. If you would like to support me by following me on my other social media sites, there's gonna be a link below in my description. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a lovely day. Bye!